morning. I had an original plan to go to Rocky Mountains National Park today, but I was so exhausted this morning I couldn't get myself going in time to get inside of the park before the timed reservation system begins at 5 a.m. For the part of the park that I want to see at Bear Lake. So I have decided to adjust my plans. I think I'm going to use today to remedy my car situation and also take care of a few other chores. Time for a massage. The massage chair was so good. Wow. I always forget to use the massage chairs at the gym. I took care of a bunch of my chores, but I'm a little bit bored because I'm not at the Rockies. So I think in order to make today not a complete wash, I'm going to do the scenic drive because I can get into the park now that it's after 2 p.m.
Today's episode is going to be a little bit different than normal. Please enjoy these beautiful scenic views with music from the YouTube Creator Library.
Get a new annual pass. I got my new America the Beautiful pass. You pay $80 and then you don't have to pay anytime you go to a national park for a full year. So that's the road to Bear Lake, which is where I want to be tomorrow. But I don't have a reservation. Look at that. Small sandwich, $5.95. Dinner with a view, it's priceless. rainbow curve, but you see that? These people have the right idea. Beautiful, but out of daylight. So it's time for me to find out where I'm gonna end the night. I only made it about halfway through the drive, maybe a little more. Up here we're in the tundra, different climate. It's super high. Getting a little dark. Good night, sun. Okay. It is 7:15. Sun's almost down. I need to be at the trailhead tomorrow at 5 a.m. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to get to the trailhead because of the timed entry system. So I am going to start working on figuring out what I'm going to do for the night. I think I'm going to go back to Estes Park and stay there because it's pretty close to the trail. And then I will hopefully get to watch a really epic sunrise tomorrow. I've heard, the place that I'm going to is called Sprague Lake, and it was recommended to me by both people in real life and people on the internet. So I'll see you there. It's going to be too dark for me to film much else. So good night. Sound of rain. You can hear it above me on all the windows. Oh, so peaceful. I have been craving rain.